Today we're going to talk about the different features in Zoom. So here on our Google Classroom, we have a link to our Zoom meeting. So you can click this, and then we're going to open meeting in Zoom. And now we're connecting to Zoom. My meeting, we're currently in a waiting room. So if you end up here, don't worry. Your teacher will let you into the room. It's not an error. Now we're connecting. Here we go. And we're in. Perfect. So if you want to hear your class, you should join with computer audio. If you don't click that, you will hear nothing. Now let's talk about the different functions in Zoom. So first, you have a microphone. Mine is currently muted. If you click this, you unmute, and everyone can hear you. If you have a webcam, you can press this to join with video. If you want to talk in your class with typing, there's the chat. If you click chat, then you can type to everybody in here. Hi, everyone. Or if you want to only send a message to one person, you can go to this one here, two, and there will be a list of all the different people in the meeting, and you click on them, and then you can type to only them. Only that person will see that. Now in participants, there are some other buttons here. So if you click this, you can kind of do a mini vote using some of these buttons. These ones, like here, you can raise your hand, and then the host, the professor, can see that. You can also click it again to make it go away. There's a yes, there's a no, go slower, go faster. And then here more, we have boo, dislike, yeah, like, clapping, very good. And need a break, that's an amazing button. And away. Now, there are other features as well in here. For example, there's share screen. And when sharing screen, you can choose any of your screens here, as you can see. Or you can choose the whiteboard. So perhaps your professor will have a whiteboard open, and you can participate within that whiteboard. So the teacher has opened up a whiteboard. You can actually draw on this whiteboard. If you go into here, it says you are viewing question mark screen. There, that person is writing here. Here's the teacher. But I can also write on the screen by going to View Options, clicking there, and then clicking this one, Annotate. Annotate. So now I have all these options. I can draw all over the screen. I can undo because my drawing is very messy. So I can undo, there we go. I have a little arrow so I can point at stuff. I can type. I can just look around. Okay, let's draw again. Let's draw a circle. There's all sorts of different circles. There's different colors. There's stamps. If you like hearts, you can put hearts. If you like stars, you can put stars. You can erase stuff. You can clear everything except for what the teacher did. You can redo, and so on. Another function are the breakout rooms. So maybe right now we're in the main class and there are many students, but your professor may want you to work in small groups or pairs during your class. And that will happen in breakout rooms. So your teacher will put you into a breakout room and you will get a invitation to join that room. Here it is. The host is inviting you to join breakout room. And here's the breakout room number. I'm breakout room number 1. And let's join. Now we are in breakout room number 1. It has the same kinds of functions. There's the share screen in here. And there's the chat, so you can chat to your partners. And then if you have a problem, there's a button down here. This button is new. Ask for help. So I'm all alone in my breakout room. I have no partner. So I can press ask for help. And this will send a message to the professor telling them to come to your breakout room to help you. There we go. The host is currently in this room. There we go. So now the professor can see. Oh, there we go. Oh no. All right. So once you're done in your breakout room, the professor can close the breakout room. You can also leave a breakout room using this button down here. So I'm going to show you what happens when the professor closes it. Here we are. So breakout rooms will close in 1 minute. You can click this and come back earlier. Otherwise, you will return automatically. So during your class, you might do a poll like this one. Here we are. Here's our test. How are you? Good, meh, bad. You choose one of the options. Today, I am good. All right, let's submit. And once everyone is finished the poll, the professor can share the results. So here you can see the results. The poll results was that 100% of our class of 1% was good. And then once you're done with the results, you can close them. And that's that.